Good morning, children. Today let us learn logarithms properties. So properties of logarithms. First one is product rule. Okay, this is based on the properties of exponential rule. So we have exponential product rule. A power x into a power y is equal to a power x plus y. Do you know that? So like that, using the product rule, we are proving product rule for logarithms. See here, let a comma x and y be positive real numbers with a not equal 1. Then log x into y base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. See, this is the logarithmic property. So let us prove that. See here, how many terms, logarithm terms? Log x base a, log y base a. So here let us assume log x base a equal to m and log y base a equal to n. Then, so using the logarithmic property and log x base a equal to m, then this base a, log x base a equal to m, we convert into exponential form. We can write x equal to a power m. Do you know? And this one, y equal to a power n. Now what we prove? Log x into y base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. So log x into y. Here x into y term is there. So let us multiply these two. X into y equal to what is x? A power n into what is y? A power n. So using exponent form, formula, a power m into a power n. Bases are equal, product is there, add the powers, that is a power m plus n. Okay. Now what is x into y equal a power m plus n? If you convert this into logarithmic form, so converting exponential into logarithm. So here what is log of xy? Log x into y. What is base here? That becomes base of log equal to m plus n. Okay. Now what is m? Log x base a. Plus what is n? Log y base a. Okay. So this is the property, log x into y base a equal log x base a plus log y base a. When this we can say the logarithm of product is the sum of the logarithms. Okay. The logarithm of product is the sum of the logarithms. That means log of x into y, product, log of product is log x plus log y. Sometimes we cannot say base. Here log x into y equal log x plus log y. For example, we can say log 5 into 3. This we can write log 5 plus log 3. Okay now. So let us see another one, quotient rule. Okay. See, now let us see. This is not product rule, the quotient rule. Quotient rule is log x by y base a equal log x base a minus log y base a. Okay. So quotient, log of quotient x by y. So quotient is the subtraction of the logarithms. Quotient rule is the subtraction of the difference of logarithms. Product is the sum of the logarithms. Okay. Now same as usual, let us assume that log x base a equal to m. Then x equal to a power m. Next log y base a equal to n. Then y equal to a power n. What is there here? What we prove? Log x by y. log x by y is there. So let us take x by y equal, what is x? A power n. What is y? A power n. So in the using the exponent form, a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. That is x by y equal to a power m minus n. This is in the exponential form. If you convert into logarithmic form, we can write this is log x by y base a equal to m minus n. What is m? Log x base a minus what is n? Log y base a. Okay, so log x by y base a equal log x base a minus log y base a. Okay now students, so let us see some problems on this two properties. Okay now, let us discuss the problems on next class. Thank you students. Do practice this. One product rule is once asked in the previous examinations, 2 marks question. Okay, have you understand? So this is power rule. Okay, now power rule means log x power n base a. Log x power n base a is equal to, this power is becomes product of the logarithm. So this power becomes multiple or product n into log x base a. This is the power rule. You have to remember these 3 properties. Log x power n base a equal n into log x base a. Okay, now students, thank you.